Today we have the 2016 Volkswagen Golf. This vehicle has done just over 73,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, aux, Bluetooth audio, navigation, and if we put our vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with 360 parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our different driving modes.